Manufacturing isn't just where parts are made, it's where real dollars and real time meet design intent. Every process step, tool, and inspection adds cost, and inefficiencies early in production can multiply downstream. For aircraft, where safety margins are tight and tolerances are exacting, manufacturing choices often dominate the cost equation. Better planning and smart process design can directly cut lead times and drive down unit cost. The goal is to produce high quality without high overheads, not just to build fast. Aircraft orders are huge. Even a small fleet can mean thousands of parts and millions of build hours, so production rate matters. OEMs must plan how many units can be completed per month or year while keeping quality stable. Too slow, and delivery dates slip and costs balloon. Too fast, and tooling or workforce bottlenecks create errors. Timing is critical, and factories often model throughput to match airline demand curves, making sure every station in the line feeds the next without delay. Automation can cut costs by boosting speed, consistency, and reproducibility. And in aerospace, robots often outperform humans in repetitive precision tasks, reducing labor costs up to 2.3 times in many cases. But automation also has hefty upfront costs in equipment, integration, and programming, and human flexibility still beats machines for complex, low-volume tasks. The smart mix uses automation where it gives a clear return and manual labor where human judgment still leads to quality and adaptability. Aircraft cost is driven by a handful of big factors: materials, high-performance alloys and composites, tooling and fixtures, skilled labor, certification cost, inspection systems, and waste control. Advanced processes like autoclave cures or automated fiber placement are expensive but can save fuel and weight later. Digital tools like AI and production data systems also add upfront cost, but they help pull costs down by optimizing processes and reducing scrap, rework, and delays. The aerospace supply chain is global and complex. Long lead times, strict quality requirements, and regulatory compliance add cost and risk. Delays ripple through production. Slow reactions to parts shortages can tie up millions of dollars in inventory and disrupt schedules. Plus, supplier selection is based on trust, performance, and compliance, and any breakdown in the chain costs time and money. Efficient supply chain coordination and data sharing are critical to keeping aircraft manufacturing lean. In aircraft manufacturing, you can't chase cost at the expense of quality. Lives depend on both. Lean aerospace practices, process controls, automation, and analytics help find that balance, and companies are adopting AI and data platforms to pinpoint cost drivers and smartly optimize production. The key is to optimize all three: high quality, manageable cost, and competitive cycle times, rather than sacrificing one for another, because sustainable manufacturing means being efficient and reliable.